Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the order unsuccessful error on Aliexpress. First, open the Aliexpress app or website. Go to Account and sign in to your Aliexpress account. Choose the sign-in method you normally use, such as email, phone number, or another available platform. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings. Open Payment or Payment Methods. Make sure you have a valid payment method connected to your account. If you don't have one, add your credit card or another supported payment method and make sure all the information is correct. After that, try placing your order again. If you still get the order unsuccessful message, clear the cache. If you're using the Aliexpress app, open your phone's app info, go to storage and clear the cache. If you're using a browser, clear the Aliexpress cookies and site data, then reopen the browser and sign in again. Finally, select your product and try placing the order again. If the problem continues, try another supported payment method or contact Aliexpress support for help with the order. And that's it. That's how you can fix the order unsuccessful error on Aliexpress. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.